try to shut us down, but I get this and get our valley, yeah. But thing is, Pumelele, Sakokota, but they never fully, yeah. La Batala Bafumile, yeah. Malambane so fugile, yeah. They try to shut us down, but I get this and get our valley, yeah. But thing is, Pumelele.
Hi everyone, my name is Nokuphila Masangane, aka the Trailblazer. I'm a TV presenter on Eswatini TV for 2 shows, The Beatdown, your number 1 music show, and of course the Golden Hour, your number 1 entertainment show on your screens. So I'm on the show Asambe today, which is a show that I've watched a couple of times. Different challenges, out of the comfort zone challenges are given to different people, personalities, and I'm here today to get mine. Okay, so today I'm a photographer, right? Hey, okay. I think this will sync perfectly well with what I'm currently doing, which is my internship. So today I'll be taking pictures. So yeah, I can't wait. Let's go and take pictures.
Malabane so fugile, Titi wata taten fugu siye, cause a million people ain't enough for us. Ngapha sesh doing numbers, are killing the game. Got cause I just pray me do number 1. Song of the year, Ebanga Palace, Yangena this year. That's all the cash, my nigga we next. Yeah, we gon' get it, my nigga relax. Begum Yama Segusile, Tane Gulu Sebaka Yisile, so much till it's home Pagam Sile, so much till it's home Pagam Sile, Yalekaya Balala Bashile, Tita Damet Funa Magazine.
I'm okay as long as I'm not biting in. So yeah, I'm good. I think this is fine. I've never seen myself as a photographer. I think it's a nice challenge. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, a challenge level you got now. When inside some restaurant, I was looking forward to that. Getting into the kitchen and maybe baking pizza, maybe a cake. Yeah, not going to to be fair, I think an 8. I'll rate myself an 8 out of 10. Because I'm but yeah, I'm not open to failure. It's good, yeah, but then 8 out of 10 is what I'd rate myself.
Try to shut us down, but I get this and get our valley, yeah. But thing is, Pumelele, Sakokota, but they never fully, yeah. La Batala Bafumile, yeah. Malambane so fugile, yeah. They try to shut us down, but I get this and get our valley, yeah. But thing is, Pumelele, Sakokota, but they never fully, yeah. La Batala Bafumile.
So I'm here. So this is where my location for my challenge is at. So I have to go inside, meet my mentor. So that's the person that'll be teaching me about, photography, how to take very nice pictures. I don't know. Let's go inside and see what's happening.
Ngapha sesh doing numbers, are killing the game. Got cause I just pray me do number 1.
That is. Oh, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm good.
Fine, I'm Nokuphila.
Yeah.
Go. Welcome to Live King Studios.
Thank
you. Can
you.
have your seat this side.
Okay.
Have
Yeah.
a seat here.
Okay.
Yes,
please.
It's a long day.
Very long day.
Yeah, let's just do this.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'm gonna shake.
I'm not sure.
Oh, ngeke ulahleka. So ngalahleka lapho walamba bane wena.
Oh, like coming in here.
Yes.
No, I didn't get lost.
Oh,
No,
okay.
no.
No, kungcono ke nanjalo.
I'm a city girl. I wouldn't get lost.
Oh, okay, Nokuphila, so I'm King Studios.
Thank you so much. My name is Nokuphila, Masangane. I'm a TV presenter.
Okay.
So Asambe gave me a challenge looking a photographer today. I've never been a photographer. I've taken pictures. I don't like taking pictures, but then I'm open to a challenge today.
Oh, okay. Mangoba msivi, photographer wala King.
Okay.
La kaya ke siyashoota tithombe nema video. Tithombe weddings, corporates, birthdays and all the like.
Okay.
So bese bashit ukuthi namuhla wena kubaluleke challenge ukuthi ube photographer.
Yeah.
So as a photographer angathi ngoba uthi awuthanda shoot.
I don't do it frequently.
It's fun though.
Yeah, I hope it will be fun for me today.
Okay. Just ngakwenza the basics of it.
Okay.
Ukuthi funa as a photographer funa understand the lighting yakho.
Okay.
Kupose model yakho.
Okay.
The actual shooting. And then bese sekuba ne post lokhanyana, post production.
Okay.
Of which lapho sengilama product, sengilama edits and everything.
Okay.
And then bese ke siyanika client to thombe tayo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
that happens in one day.
And not really, not in the day, but look shooter and everything when they're in one day.
Okay.
There's a good to the truth like I now that was like the client to better we need within 3 working days.
Okay.
Yeah, so look for some laptop that actually work on the pictures, basically so I'm needed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood.
So another thing, I will post the client ungayiqe. Ungasho ukuthi ufuna kuna kuposta thombe tayo.
Okay.
Awuveli kuposta thombe tayo just because so you ask for permission first.
Okay.
So
fair
that's
enough.
how it works.
Okay.
So ready to start.
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Ngapaseshe with numbers are killing the game. Ngakhoza just premier do number 1. Song of the year. Ebangaphala siyangena this year. So the cash, my nigga we next. Yeah, we gon' get it, my nigga relax. Bekumnyama sekusile. Hlane khulu sebakhanyisile. So mathile so ngiphakamsile. So mathile.
As I call lights, they need to communicate with the camera.
Okay.
So this is what we use. It trigger. It trigger communicates with the lights. And then kula lights there are channels.
Okay.
With the channel A, channel B, and then gonge ukushinjana. So that one is our channel A.
Okay.
Here. So we have got the intensity and the power. We adjust that.
Okay.
And then this is B, and then I adjust that.
So B, you click
B,
here.
Yeah, you click here.
Okay.
And then the next code is FX Pro. We trick FX.
Okay. This is FX Pro.
SXT.
Huh?
Yeah. Code of FX Pro. This one is the Pro.
Okay.
And then so this is B. That's gonna be our A.
Okay.
So you connect it to the camera, and then let's power it up. First, let's kill on the lights. Let's switch off the lights like this. Now our lights are off. So for that, let's turn the ambient light mode.
Okay.
So go to the light they come from outside.
Okay.
Because if the lights are 70 we need to use mainly these lights.
Okay.
That's why everything is like stuck.
Okay.
So you do this. I want to take a flash.
Yeah.
That means you have to go F. We start at F8 here. Then ISO 100. Then shutter speed 100 here. So let's test. Good light. Everyone but there is no light.
Okay.
In the camera.
Okay.
So now let's power it up. That's our B, and that's our A. Let's start at our B is F8. This one is our main light, it's B. Let's start at F 1/2.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
So can I also press the balances?
Okay.
Of which we need to up that one a bit.
Okay.
Because we're going to show you the very corner up.
So you make it 1/2 too.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay.
And then now it's balanced.
Okay.
The reflector.
There's no shade.
Yeah, good. The shade was like eliminate it now.
Okay.
The shade was like corner pass.
Okay.
So now we are good to go. That means right? F8, shutter speed 100, then go group A, so 1/2, then group B, the our main light, the corner 1/2.
Okay.
So we're using a 5D Mark II and a 50. Every photographer should have this lens.
This one. Okay.
Yeah, you can have all the lenses, but if I photograph and you don't have this lens, I've got a story for you. Unfortunately, it's not nice.
Is it expensive though?
Somewhere around. I think it's retailing around about 3,000 now.
Oh, okay.
So you can get it around 3,000 or so.
Okay.
So Nyaloge is a first and shoot at them.
Okay.
Asambe. That's how you hold the camera. Yeah. Yeah. Put this on now.
Okay.
Hold your hand.
Okay.
Put it here.
Yeah.
And then that's gonna be that's where you press and you focus. And then that's where you're gonna lock the focus.
So I focus and lock.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's a dot that is red inside here. You must always place it on the on the face.
Okay.
So that you can look focus go.
Okay.
So this is a popular code. Basically, once the dot you can then lock it and then you press on the other side.
Okay. Okay.
As well as having a small.
Okay, the red dots.
No. Take it closer.
Okay.
Like take it closer,
Closer.
to your ear.
Okay. I'm not seeing the red dots.
Yeah, let's see the red dot.
I'm just.
Okay, let's put it at the center.
Okay.
Now it's at the center.
Okay.
So you just gotta put like this and then
Okay.
So yeah.
Song of the year, Ebanga Palace, Yangena this year. SO to cast, my nigga, we next. Yeah, we gon' get it, my nigga, relax. Begum Yama Segusile, Tane Bulu Sebaka Sile. So Matili, so Pagam Sile. So Matili, so Pagam Sile. Yalekaya Balala Bashile. Tita Damet Funa Magasile. Alom Tulu Spamba Bapile. Tita Damet Funa Magasile. Yeah. Try to shut us down, but I get this and get our valley. But thing is, Pumelele, Sakokota, but they never fully. La Batala Bafumile, Alambane Sofugile. They try to shut us down, but I get this and get our valley. But thing is, Pumelele,
I want to go to Umchubi.
Oh, the hands.
Yeah, like tell that I watch to remember joints. I want to so quality.
Yeah, it's like really.
Yeah, I was like very good. Let's see the other. Yeah, but I was going that. I want to get going on. Of it also on the corporate headshots.
Okay.
That means now I'm posing for a so I'm direct.
Okay.
Anga veli nje amen ukuthi uyathi funa uhlobo aguquka kancane uthola lungise kahle tinwele and all those things.
Okay.
Yabo. So
Shela Isabel.
okay. Ungathi jubile ntandla la.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good one. So future. Let's see. So mframe kahle sonzela.
Okay.
Ngicela ngacebede ngoba ngasicebede.
Okay, ngacimedi tema. Ke usebenza? Ke usebenza? Tema. Just give me a nice smile. Give me your payday smile.
So kumbona abo somjubile.
Okay.
Somjubile. Letani.
Okay.
So tichu kukhona ama shots last time juba ko le star wenda khona like a total headshot. Yabona ukuthi le reflector le I share tibu funa buka phansi kancane. Ngabuke du funa buka phansi kancane. So that le light ingano reflector la.
On the glasses.
Yes.
Okay.
So now mframe kuvele la phasa letandla like letandla tivele ungathi juba.
Okay.
Phasa kancane kwaleli band. Kancane nje kwaleli band.
Okay.
Okay. Nyalo ngifakele stool.
Okay.
Because so my heels atokhona but so now we'll move this one out a bit.
Okay.
And then adjust our so that angano bese kuyamsitha. Kungamsithi.
Okay.
Yabo. And then so kufuna kanye zame ukumshutha lesingathi siyamve lestamvetha nalamadolweni.
Okay. Up to the knees.
Yeah.
Okay.
So lokuya lo sesireflecta light la ngemuva because the light nayifolisha la itawujika so that anganoba nema shadows ngala.
Okay.
Yeah. So nyalo ke nase simshutha kaso sekufuna kanjalo azoba ukuthi besidudane bese shutha ba emana.
Yeah.
Sekufuna sidedade njalo sitawumala.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sima sitawumala of which nawubuka lapha lokusho ukuthi yabo to right but ngalothi asisekho dudane so sekufuna sithi senyisa kancane le main right here sitanyisa sithi 1/2
Okay.
plus 7.
Plus 7. Okay.
Yeah, so let's just check just again. Yeah, that's it. Yabo. Yeah, so easy ngenya. Yabo la ukuthi le ngala kuyakhanya kanti because there's that light le finisher in on the other side.
Yeah.
So yalo ke salumshutha kanjalo ba full body pictures art. Ngamshutha ma half kuphela.
Okay, full body now.
Yeah, now it's full body now.
Okay.
So you need yabo another thing. Awumshutha ume kanje because sotawuba ngaso.
Okay.
So kufuna like le distance yakho naye ufuna ilingane so that utomveta agcwele ungamshuthi kaso.
Okay.
Ukhona kona lo utawushutha nangabe maybe you are being creative.
Okay.
Yeah, lo takhanza ukuthi aerial shots ufuna kumshutha kaso lwathwa.
Okay.
But for this one make sure ukuthi uya like kule level yakhe lapha kule and then you can go closer again. Umshuthe kufuna awajubula amadolo if umshutha kaso ufuna umjubela ngaphasi kancane kwala madolo ungavela umjubela awajubula ama joints.
Okay.
Because bese basochwalile. Yeah. Ufuna bese basochwalile. Uyambona uphelele lokho.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sikathu takho sikubekela change. Nigga relax, bekumnyama sekusile, hlane khulu sebakhanyisile, somathili sewungiphakamsile, nyalekhaya balala badlile, tithatame funa magazile, ngalomculo sesibamba babhile, tithatame funa magazile, yeah. Actually shut us down, bana githi sangena bavalile, bathi ngesiphumelele sakokota bagcine bavulile, labathola bavumile malambane sovukile They try to shut us down fana kithi sangena bavalile bathi ngesiphumelele.
So njalo ke ngoba sewushuthile ke dem kuba bese mkhombisa ithombe lakhe ukuthi bosolo wentani bese so yake post edit sekufuna saliyo editor nyalo mkhombisa njalo preview lokuthi uhappy yini more serious nje.
Yeah, okay.
Yabo man mela ngala ngala setha kancane.
Okay.
Yeah, they senzela ke. Kuna ke bese ulitwista la so kubuka labo next.
Okay.
Just spin the whole. Wajaka tot bona kahle umzungu ukhombise lokuthi bengayibona entani.
Okay, this is your last picture. Are you happy with the brightness?
Photographer umretu uthini photographer ngitshilo.
I am. Okay. So
bese siyabonga ke client lakho ukuthi uyabonga and
thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, but thank you so much, my clients. Within 3 days. So, right. Yeah. Let me get you something to drink. Yes, please. Okay.
Sebaza ngoba solo kuyashisa ngala. So kufuna ke sale wehlise ilo kanjani. Uphezulu phela. But at least young girls should keep a camper. Yeah, we are playing local content. Yeah, we are playing local content. Yeah, promoting local.
Okay, I'm tired too.
Oh, something new now. I'm going to imagine now. She's to the
Umshado.
Hey, go to 8 hours. Standing.
No, I'll maybe hire a crew. I'll just make sure that they do the work. No, I'll manage the crew. I'll call them to find out. Yeah, maybe that.
Photographer.
Yeah, I feel like it needs a lot of dedication, time. Yeah, so I don't know. But I try. But if a wedding is 8 hours, it's too long. 3 hours is okay.
Oh
wow. No, I wouldn't do that.
Alright, let's go edit now. Go edit now. Okay,
Okay.
So for the content
Okay.
for edit.
Okay.
Which was like cut read.
Okay.
CF card, my card is not my card, my SD card, and I say CF card.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So check this one. We found
Why do you have this? What is that?
Adapter. My mouse, my hard drive.
Oh, everything. Okay.
Instead of putting
straight into okay.
So let's wait for it. We'll see if I get it up on this. We'll wait till I eject it, not proper. So this is the content.
Okay.
So not the title.
Okay.
Edition as this for tables.
Okay.
So Kavata, like click it open.
Okay.
Now we'll start with the camera roll now.
Okay.
Now start with 7 Photoshop. Yeah, 7 Photoshop for editing.
Okay.
So in your start is camera roll filter. So anza bathi ngale bo shoot abo lesi got the light lama highlights wabona ukuthi lama as now.
Yeah.
So sifuna adjust kenyalo ukuthi sisibuyise exposure sibuyise before sisiqala
relax bekumnyama sekusile hlane khulu sebakhanyisile somathile ungiphakamsile nyale ekhaya balala badlile tithatame funa makazile ngalomculo sesibamba babhile tithatame funa makazile Ejwari sharif down bana githi sangena bavalile bathi ngesiphumelele sakokota bagcine bavulile labathala bavumile alambane sovukile Ejwari sharif down bana githi sangena bavalile bathi ngesiphumelele sakokota bagcine bavulile labathala bavumile Malapane sovukile
So body looks good nigga.
Yeah.
Perfect. Siyabonga kakhulu bakwaSwazi TV ukuzivakashela la ekhaya. Ne-student sami lesisha.
Yeah.
Sesebenzile nawo safundisa wakubona ukuthi kufanele kwenzekani. So uyabona ukuthi photography is not as hard as you think.
But it's not easy. Like masojayele ngibangazi that's then.
Yeah, patience. Exercise the patience.
Yeah.
So so thambe ukuthi utawubuya futhi ngale noma utaconsider venture into photography.
Yeah. Maybe bird photography, maybe something animals, birds, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. I feel like that would be fun.
Okay. I know.
Yeah, I will definitely. So as my teacher today, how would you rate me? How would you rate me?
I think I'll give you a 7.
Oh.
Yeah, ngingakunika 7.
Okay, not bad.
Understand mastering nokuphozisa i-client apha you-master that one and ukuthi uma kanjani and all those things. I think if you just need to put some effort into it and then the editing part I think I put it 2 months.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
I
to
don't
master
mind.
it. Sometimes it's low because
Yeah.
when I was at 2 hours ago, you just told this.
Eish.
So it's a time what I adjust. As time goes on, down corner now go to about 30 minutes.
Yeah, just one.
Yeah, just one.
Yeah.
So that's the hard part. Shooting is a little bit easier if you've got it right from the cam. Ungakufuna into uthembe ukuthi utawuza sakupost. Because sometimes now like post then they will kind of
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the basics of it.
Yeah.
When editing, edit like you didn't touch the picture. Don't then oversaturate people.
Okay.
Don't filter people too much.
Yeah.
Bese abasaba
In the my yellow bomb.
No, ungamenzi yellow bomb. Mina nje ngangithi dark.
Okay.
Yeah. People can think dark. Otherwise, thank you so much for coming through. Hoping to see you next time.
Thank you.
Chapeau.
Okay, so I'm done with my challenge today. Thank you so much to Asambe team crew for inviting me through to Lion King Studios. I learned about photography. Like if you listened, I said something about me. I just didn't see myself becoming a photographer, but from the process today, I think if I develop a bit of more patience and love for the job and understanding all the technicalities of it, I think I'd make a good photographer maybe after a year of learning. Yeah, otherwise my experience was really cool. The 7 out of 10, I like it. It's not bad for starters. Otherwise, I had a great time today. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bathi ngesiphumelele sakho kodwa bagcine bavulile labathola bavumile malambane sovukile They try to shut us down fana ngithi sangena bavalile bathi ngesiphumelele sakho kodwa bagcine bavulile labathola bavumile malambane sovukile Sala ngihamba lendlela flow yakhulu toyiphola esibedlela fana push to pull at mental presidential se flow Monday one man down saka tactic ground skin the club and they shut it down no one know that we run this town then this push and just pull him up in nuts future black no fuck my demands push and jalo ngeke ngibambe